For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Apecoin, suitably named after an extremely well-known creature in exchanging circles, is a digital money propelled by the popular NFT assortment, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This ERC-20 in every practical sense, token is utilized for administration purposes in the ape environment. Primate controls the local area that is money working at the very front of Web3 in a significant manner. Apecoin holders will actually want to conclude what heading the environment will create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO supports will be dispersed. 62% of all ape tokens in a real sense were dispensed to the Apecoin biological system reserve. They will be utilized to do the venture's different drives. In spite of the fact that Apecoin has a genuine worth, its association with a NFT reserve causes genuinely numerous to in every practical sense, treat it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers have partitioned assessments on the Apecoin digital currency, with some being solidly behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in practically no time. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will attempt to recognize both of these sides, and endeavor to make a cost estimate that will figure out some kind of harmony between the two polarizing sentiments on Apecoin, which by and large is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, truly recollect that the items in this video don't comprise speculation guidance, and that you ought to constantly do your sort of own exploration prior to putting resources into any crypto, which is genuinely huge. Presently, how about we make a plunge? Apecoin technical analysis, which is very huge. There are a couple of justifications for why it is extraordinarily difficult to make Apecoin cost expectations. Its major worth as a token, most importantly, truly is attached to a promotion subordinate venture, a NFT assortment, or so they thought. Albeit the Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the greatest ventures of its sort and has been gotten by numerous VIPs, it has proactively begun declining in ubiquity. Obviously, the task isn't just about NFTs, it's tied in with systems administration with the in every practical sense, rich and renowned at in-person parties, about supporting a stage cools things in the blockchain business, and considerably more, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Albeit numerous thoughts behind NFTs in every way that really matters, are fantastic in principle, many individuals generally are not as partial to them practically speaking amazingly. The worries we hear most frequently truly are genuinely legitimate, extremely elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc. In any case, some of them basically are now being settled. Presently it's simply a question of changing the public's discernment in a very significant manner. Apecoin Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Apecoin will especially be $8.21. The most extreme level that the ape cost can in a real sense reach is $9.18, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $8.50, which generally is genuinely huge. Chin price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value variances of Apecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ape pace of $7.56 in August 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $6.84 and at $7.77, separately. September 2022, Apecoin price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are certainly prepared to declare their gauge for the ape cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $7.42, while the greatest could reach $8.15 during this month. Overall, it especially is normal that the worth of Apecoin may be around $7.71, which is very critical. Guerrilla price forecast for October 2022. Crypto examiners sort of have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Apecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the fundamentally normal ape rate they generally anticipate could in every way that really matters, be around $7.94 in October 2022. It can drop to $7.58 as a fundamentally least in a significant manner. The most extreme worth may be $8.53. November 2022, Apecoin price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Ape cost will sort of be exchanged at $8.18 on normal in a significant manner. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Apecoin worth to $8.85. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $7.82 in November 2022. Primate price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists for the most part have broke down Apecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging to all expectations and motivations normal for December 2022, $8.50. The least in Pinnacle Ape rates may be $8.21 and $9.18 in an unobtrusive manner. Apecoin price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the essentially least cost of Apecoin will be around $12.05. The most extreme expected Ape cost might be around $14.25. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $12.48 in 2023, which is very critical. Apecoin price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, Ape is supposed to have the accompanying commonly least and for the most part greatest costs, about $17.63 and $20.98, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $18.13. Apecoin price prediction 2025. Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Apecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It generally is expected that in 2025, the essentially least Ape cost could drop to $25.61, while its most extreme can reach $30.29. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $26.34. Apecoin price prediction 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying kind of greatest and least Ape costs are normal in 2026, $44.41 and $39.50. By and large, it will be exchanged at $40.56. Apecoin price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists truly are